Here is one of the truss box sample we have for the US market. This one is the 33 gallon truss can liner. This one is made with HDPE. The size we have here 33 by 39 inch, 1.2 mil, which is very standard sizes. You can see the tail line here. Very easy to tear off, no problem at all. This box is made with 4-fold, so the roll is very tight, it's very convenient, and the back, when you use it, you can open it like this. You see how shiny the back is. This one is made with two seam like this, so the back is very strong at the bottom. I'll cut the tail line for you, the seam line for you. I'm putting a lot of pressure and the box still doesn't break. So very strong, very heavy duty, very common in the US. You see the finishing of the back, very shiny. And this one we made with virgin material, so they are extra strong.